Hello, and we're here with the second part of our new shooter survival tutorial. And I was getting asked how to make a melee weapon, and I thought, should I prepare this tutorial? And then I thought, no, I'll just go with the flow and see what happens. So, not like the last one, I haven't coded anything. We're just going to start. So I thought what I'd start with is I'd get a grey colour, not on the pencil preferably, and I'd just paint like a kind of sword thing. Well, that was terrible. That was also terrible. Maybe we need some smoothing. Yeah, that's a bit better. And like that. So we're going to call this sword. It's going to be a movie clip. Center registration point. Okay. Oh, God block nose. So we're going to have that like that. And also, like I've said, I'm going to do it as both tutorials. Also going to put this one in here, in the object though. Actually, sorry, but I'm going to do this one first, the one where the hand's following, and then I'm going to go to the one where it's attached, and then I do that, because I think this one's going to be a bit harder to do. So what I was thinking is this. We'll have like a stop frame here, stop, and we'll have like, oh, my voice just went there. We'll have 10 frames, and it's just going to like swipe across. Actually, it's not going to be 10 frames, that'll be too slow. My voice keeps going. Horrible. Like create motion tween. Actually, no. Before create motion tween, we're going to convert this to symbol knife. Milli. I spell milli. Milli. I don't know how to spell milli. Mill. Knife hit, we'll just call it, because I've got no idea how to spell milli. And it's did we make it a graphic? Leave them tweens. No, I didn't. Graphic. Now we'll create the motion tween. Create motion tween. And we'll just like swipe this across from, we'll start about here, like that, and we'll end about here, yeah, like that. So it's like this. I don't think that's smooth enough. That's too slow. I will stick with that. We'll make it better later on, but for now that'll do. And we're just going to go into this, and we're going to write if. Actually, I don't think we'll have to go into that. 1 second, because we're lazy. Well, I'm lazy. Just copy this. We'll just go into the melee weapon, and we'll. Thing is, I've got oh no, it doesn't matter. We'll put it in the melee weapon like that, and we'll space to hit, and play like that. So, oh no, there's errors. Yeah, it has to appear an on clip event handler. Forgot about that. Clip event enter frame. Well, that was a bit weird. Oh no, I just pressed down. I thought because when I hit it, it looked down, but it's just because I pressed down. And we're going to get this frame, what lets the gun follow the character. We're going to make this follow the character. Actually, don't need that. Should work. It's a bit too, like, if you know, it's always facing that way. And I was going to say it's a bit too, like, back. So I think we can fix this by plussing, like, 30 here. That's the wrong way. Plussing 20, let's say. Yeah, and that should work now. But I've like frozen and thought I'm not even talking. Sorry about that. But what we've got is we've got this the knife following. We've got made the knife. We've got animation in it. We've got it following the character, and when we click space, it hits. So now we need to make it so it's like the rotation of the character. Like I would say the rotation of the gun, where the gun's facing. So I'm going to go with on enter frame underscore rotation equals underscore root dot arm dot underscore rotation. Yeah, I don't think, yeah, this kind of works, but not perfect, obviously. Let's try char rotation. That might work better. So you go, but the char doesn't rotate. I'm just going to try something here. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to put this in here, like that. This is why you should plan, but I don't plan really. Now I've made so the character rotates with the weapon, and just so I have like example of it rotating, we'll put like an eye here, like a little dot, a dot there, and 2 eyes. Yeah, that looks much better now. And whichever way you're facing, it's going to be basically hitting that way. And the only thing what's wrong is because we've got plus 20 on. See, now it's always facing the right way, but it's just a bit low. So now all we'll have to do is we'll go into here, and I'd say just move it up. That's what I'd do. Like this is probably going to end in disaster, but no, that's, yeah, that's kind of, move that down a bit. Yeah, that's much better now, isn't it? Maybe twirl that in a bit more though. Yeah, look at that. Doesn't matter which way you're facing, you're always hitting the way you're facing. So now we've fixed that. Good. Yeah, you can hit. That's good. So we've done that for that now, and now we just need to do it for this. It's going to be a little bit different, this. Same concept, but we'll take the knife, the sword, we'll paste it here. We'll actually paste it in this, for this one, because this is not the follow. This is not the following one. This doesn't have the weapons following it. This is just all attached. So different games have different things. Like I like games when the weapons kind of follow the thing, because it makes it look more like realistic. But you might like this better. So what we're going to do here is it requires a lot less code actually, what we're going to do here, because it's in and it just moves with it. So it's a lot easier building games with this, but like this, it's much better. So it's just your choice really, just which one you like better. Always download another one if you dislike the other one. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go in here, and on this, instead of doing it on, pressing it, like putting the actions on the sword this time, we're going to put it on the character. Everything goes on the character in this one. In this one it goes on different objects, if you get what I mean. But yeah, but not just play, it has to be this dot sword dot play. So go into here, we'll just give this the instance name, capital S, sword. So that's how I spell it. Oh, word. Oh, well, that worked. No, it didn't. Right. I wonder why it's not working. That's funny. Well, it's not funny, but strange. I don't know why that's not working. Just I'm going to test something. Seems to be out for some reason. It's because we've got, yep, we'll have actions on that, that's why. Yeah, that's better. It's because we had actions on this from this. Oh, my voice keeps breaking. From this, when we copied it over, and that just interfered with the code, and unknown errors can happen, weird things. So that's right, we just need to position this a bit better for this movie clip. And yeah, you got that. Yeah, and you press space and you can hit. So yeah, that seems quite good for that, the melee attacks. But now, before we like end this, I want to show you something. How to make like a kind of shop system where you can change your weapons. And this is what we're going to be doing first. So just to show you an example, well, we'll have to change some of the weapons. We're going to make some variables on this one first. So the variables are going to be, just do them up here, var bullet speed number equals 25, var bullet damage, we're not going to use this yet, but we'll need to make it for later, equals 25. I think that's it. That's all we'll have to make for now. This is going to be replaced with bullet speed, 25 bullet speed. And then look, when you change the bullet speed to 75, the bullets shoot faster. So we're going to use this in different weapons. We're going to change the bullet speed when you pick up and buy different weapons. So we'll just also put this here. Why is the bullet damage 25? Oh, my voice keeps breaking, it's so annoying. Bullet damage 5. Right, and that's all we're going to do for that tutorial. And as I was talking about shop, like the shop would be when you buy guns, it'll change bullet speed. But we'll probably be doing a shop next tutorial where it'll change your bullet, like your gun camo and that. You know what I mean? But so far, after just 2 days work, it's looking pretty good. Yeah. Just spamming attacks, right? Okay, that's it for this one. Right, bye.